Hello, Blackhawk Cougars. Mrs. Sutliff here, and I just finished looking at the song lyrics for Mr. D's winter song that you were doing, and I want to show you first some examples of things I brainstormed and found, and then I will show you what I want you to do with your research. So after reading all of your song lyrics, I did some searches, and these are some of the results that I found for different projects that I thought would fit your song. So, of course, the Polar Express, and I found polar bears too. But I liked your I think it was your first song, talking about joy to everyone and just all around the world, trying to be joyful. And then, of course, Santa's sleigh. And then I thought about the North Pole too. So this one here would be more of a STEM challenge, I think. But you could probably figure out how to do something like that if you want. So what we're going to do when you finish watching this video is you're going to come up here to this plus button and open a new tab. And right here, your cursor is automatically in the address bar, and you're going to type in bing.com, bing.com. And then we're going to type into the search bar, art for kids. And then I would like you to think of some keywords that popped into your head as you were rereading your song lyrics. So I did the Polar Express. Something else that you could do is just try the search winter train and see if you come up with anything that looks really good. So I am giving you permission to go to the images tab after you type in your kid-friendly art for kids. Make sure you use the phrase art for kids. And then we'll see what sort of fun results we get. Just typing in winter train, which is a different way of saying the Polar Express, I get this really cool thing. I love this. I could make a paper plate art project with, instead of these winter foxes, I could put a polar bear down here. And so then I would do another search for how to draw a polar bear, and I would put a polar bear down here. That would be super fun. So now that I've got my idea, I'm going to take my blue paper and do my best to draw a picture of what my art will look like when I'm done. And that will be my blueprint. And below, I will need to indicate my list of materials, what I need in order to make it. Okay? So just like we did a blueprint for our turkeys, you'll be making a blueprint for your winter art. And brainstorming today, it'll take you maybe longer than it took me. Maybe you'll know what you want to do right away. Maybe you won't even need to do an internet search. You can come up with your design in your head. It is totally up to you. But when we're done today, I want a blueprint on your blue paper of what your project will look like when it's done. Okay? So let me know if you have questions. You can go ahead and hop to it.